2.5 meters away, docking in about 30 seconds.
Copy, 2 meters.
Meter.
1 meter and closing. And we heard confirmation.
Dragon SpaceX on the big loop, contact and soft capture complete, attenuation in progress.
And confirmation, soft capture and docking confirmed. That time, 4:37 p.m. Pacific, 11:37 GMT, with the International Space Station flying 261 statute miles over the central Pacific Ocean. And there we got it.
That's a gorgeous view. Now, of course, there are still a few steps that we have to complete before Dragon is securely attached to station.
Dragon SpaceX on the big loop, soft capture ring retraction is in progress.
There's our first full view of Dragon. Dragon Freedom attached to the International Space Station. Up next, we are going to begin the hard capture sequence. That's essentially when we are engaging the hooks around the docking mechanism.
Well, unfortunately, we did have that video cut out right at that moment of docking, but it's great to see it attached now. Again, that initial contact, that docking time, 4:37 p.m. Pacific, 11:37 GMT, with Dragon and Station flying 261 miles over the central part of the Pacific Ocean. And we heard the retraction of the docking ring is underway, so slowly see Dragon inch a little bit closer to the docking adapter, and then we can kick off that hard capture sequence. All told, it'll take about 10 minutes for everything to finish after we've, completed that initial soft capture. We'll get those 12 docking hooks engaged, basically doing them two sets, one set of 6 at a time, after which we'll have hard mate, and then all of the post-docking configs can get put into work, including umbilicals, and then the crew's starting to step through all of their post-docking, crew on board Dragon getting out of their suits, and the crew on board station getting ready to go through the hatch operations.
So with this view here, we are able to see those Draco thrusters that we saw in action quite a bit throughout the approach maneuvers. Well, the Dragon capsule to me is upside down, but for the orientation that it's in, right there kind of in the center of the pressurized section, that shiny bright white area, we see 3 ports that are kind of like ovals. There are 4 clusters with 3 ports all around the base or the service structure of Dragon, and those are those service structure Draco thrusters that we utilize for that precise maneuvering as the Dragon approaches the International Space Station. I believe you can also identify that green light that we were talking about. So there's a green one and a red one indicating what side is port, which side is starboard. Don't ask me which one is which. I don't like deep water, so I'm not really ever to be on a boat. But yeah, the green light there you can see on the left-hand side of Dragon.
Thanks to a quick refresher, port's the left side, starboard's the right side.
Dragon SpaceX on the big loop, ring retraction complete, docking sequence is holding for MCS reconfiguration.
Copy.